Hey, welcome back to a new video, and today's video is an interesting one because as we all know that OnePlus is one of the top smartphone manufacturing companies in the world, and OnePlus is one of the best smartphones in build quality, software, and etc. And it's one of the phone to give tough competition to the Apple also. Recently, according to the tech updates, OnePlus is launching a budget phone under 25,000. As so many are waiting for this opportunity and so many want to buy OnePlus phone, but due to the high pricing issues, so many are drop out and they buy normal phones. So don't worry guys, this time OnePlus is working on the budget segment phones, which is a OnePlus Nord phone. And wait for 1 month, it will launch on July month with a good specifications, and I think it can give tough competition to the budget segment phones like Oppo, Vivo, and Redmi, Samsung mobiles, and etc. And we got to know that the OnePlus is skipping the old design and using 4 cameras on the back. And now a shocking news coming in from Android Central, which is the OnePlus Z/Nord may feature the dual front facing selfie shooter. And they say the center punch hole design was not finalized, and it looked like OnePlus Nord is coming with a dual punch hole selfie shooter on the front. These specifications are 32 megapixel primary plus 8 megapixel wide angle, which is like amazing on the paper. You can shoot some amazing stuff quality selfies plus wide angle group selfies, and this is the first OnePlus smartphone to feature such designs. And they say the dual punch holes are on the top left corner, which looks like Huawei P40 but not that long. Some official news was OnePlus finally released. The official teaser which confirms a few things. You may see color options like pink, black, white, and teal, and phone is for a new generation. So OnePlus plans to include some cool color stuff which is ideal and pink, which can attract the girls and boys. You also have initial looks of this smartphone, which is OnePlus Nord phone. And OnePlus says we are launching a 4 series documentary and explaining the OnePlus Nord and its designs and its features. So you guys know that the launch is scheduled for July 10th, which is 1 week away, and the design specifications are finalized, and all you are waiting for these official renders. We also have some information that OnePlus may launch more new smartphones under this lineup like really soon. So it's not like the OnePlus Edge cases which they discontinued. They are planning to launch many new smartphones under this Nord series, and the design we saw earlier could be one of them. But as of now, the OnePlus Z features a dual front-facing camera, 4 cameras on the back, and coming with 765 5G CPU at just 25,000 INR. So that's all guys. So thank you for watching, and I'll meet you in the next one. So please subscribe to my channel to get latest tech news like these, gadget reviews, unboxing, and many more stuff like this. And thank you guys.
是毋庸置疑的，因为呢 ，Pete 从创立一加这家公司之初呢，他就有一个非常简单的想法，就是与世界分享更好的科技。
所以我们重新开了一套产品线。
We are launching a phone with 6 months to do it.
We don't have any time. We still have to do stuff.
We don't have a launch plan.
We do the budget like that, then we over budget.
We don't have visual identity.
It's a fast-paced project.
We don't have product entirely figured out. We haven't tested the overall concept.
你告诉我的结果有巨模糊的，我怎么去做呢？
我要下周知道这个 OK， 这个马上就结束。
I've never seen this speed ever in my life.
Oh, and build a team. The most important thing, build a team.
Go! Go!
Does Carl share that vision? Does product team share that vision? I guess we'll find out.
This will definitely stick out. This is not the ordinary phone you see.
And that's sort of where you're shaking my head. Fuck, we're onto something here.
The stakes are much higher. And if we don't succeed, we probably don't have another shot.
Today will be a day to remember for OnePlus.
In the smartphone industry, there's a huge change every 2 years. Anything can happen.